Good morning! Morning, guys. Good morning. It's early in the morning. Hi. Say hi. Hi. Hello. Hello, everybody. It's so cold, guys, because it's raining here. Right, Bobby? It's raining. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Baby rains wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Why are you crying, my loves? What happened? What you want? Oh, you tell daddy. Daddy, I want to eat bread. You want to eat bread? Yes, you want to eat bread? Yes? Okay daw, daddy. Daddy, Vibrance wants to eat.
Don't come inside, ha?
Sige na, Yugo. Yung ibigay mo sa kanya na yung maliit lang. Ano? Yung pandesal pero maliit lang na hiwa. Okay, sabi niya okay. He is hungry, guys. That's why. He wants to eat the bread. Hey, where are you going?
You go outside?
Bread is here. We have. He wants to go outside, guys. He wants to buy bread outside, but we have bread here. Bread, you see, bread is there. You eat that, ha? Don't waste your bread, ha? Okay? Ano gusto niya, daddy? Kuhanin mo na siya isa.
Watch your TV.
What do you want? He wants to watch TV, guys. Wait, anak. I will finish first my, my vlog. Okay? After that, you can watch your TV. You eat first bread. Come on. Yes. So, guys.